And don't forget, say we get our able lawyer himself. Who strike help? Wolfie Jimmy Robert. We'll talk about industrial actions. Over to you, Oga Jimmy.
Okay, as I talked before.
Moreover, sorry, more than offense, our phone numbers go there on top of our TV. Make una begin the call us to check them out on top of what we discuss.
Yes, sir.
So, as I talked before, I don't give una basically the position under the law. So that if we won't follow strictly with the law, to embark on strike in this country is illegal.
Now, we can bring us to the question we Katim ask you now.
Yes.
Now, most of now, when we say DJ, we don't think of say, okay, our company they do well, we want go strike.
Yes.
Now, you guys go through all these things with Jimmy talk.
13.
If 13, he passed 13 according to him.
Well, yeah,
He passed 13. You don't see, they don't set up a committee. How many people don't meet? They don't talk to one herself.
Yes.
So
don't pass from level to level.
Don't pass from level to level. Don't go industrial act court. If you never do all this, my brother, forget that strike where you want to. Now, we come.
but make we no end them there. Because
when we talk on our own understanding, you are the lawyer.
Because if you can't talk, say, because of those conditions, make them no go on strike. That would be very bad.
Okay.
First thing first, apart from the legality of strike, you get the moral and social angle.
Okay.
So that, you know, lawyer, when you talk now, they can't confuse us now. You back and forth, you say, okay, go strike bets. It be like saying, now who can chain? Okay, I mean, who can eye? Go strike, but we use the eye to hold you back in those 13 things.
For that point that you make, that's why we always talk. We lawyers always say the law na ass. You know what it be ass?
No,
donkey.
We don't know.
Those donkey.
Donkey.
The law na ass. You know, say ass no get mind of their own.
No, we don't know. You know, there are different types now.
Down. So they say now the person when know the law well, now he know how to manipulate and use the law to his own interest or advantage. So the point be say, those who won't go on strike. That's why it's always good to have a lawyer advise you.
So wait, wait now. You know this tomorrow's strike where they won't go. So who advise? Then get lawyer. Wait till they make them
before you answer that tomorrow's strike. Hello, good evening. Who are you on the line? Emmanuel.
Leave Major.
Emmanuel.
Yeah.
Emmanuel, okay, call us back. It don't go on strike. Yeah, now, this question we can ask you now. Because now, which day they announced fuel price? Someday last week.
Last week, yeah.
And I sure say, it not gets how NLC don't go through all those 13 things.
Yes.
So, what do you get to talk about this strike?
And where they go get there, I don't know. What didn't give them the authority to go? I know, say you say if you can manipulate your ass, the donkey, donkey ass, because they are different type. Donkey ass now, if you can manipulate that one. So now NLC they manipulate their own now.
Yes. At this point, it go good make I talk say. Laws generally, the law where they regulate a certain thing, it they beyond even our own national laws. So that, whilst on the one hand, I know say a lot of people don't question that Trade Disputes Act, but you know the law is the law until the National Assembly go talk say we want abrogate the law.
Yes.
But
because what thing be abrogate?
No, you for ask me, I know it.
Okay, abrogate.
Yes, I will abrogate you.
Abrogate now to kill somebody now.
No, if
to scatter something now.
But it don't mean kill. I don't know. Kill is the second level of it. You know.
Okay, if that cockroach where they go and abrogate it.
That's it. Give me 5.
Continue.
So I lost.
No thanks.
Use abrogate in a sentence. Better learn new word this night.
This is a new word. Now, myself, I don't learn one.
Now abolish.
Synonyms.
So, Nigeria, they're among some countries where sign one international law with the International Labour Organization. Because we are subscribed to the International Labour Organization's convention. And by the International Labour Organization's practice, they recognize...
Sorry, no vex. Spencer, they recognize. Hold that part. Spencer, good evening.
Good evening.
Spencer.
Good evening. Talk to us, we hear you. Talk to us, we hear you.
Good evening, Neju.
Good evening to you, August Spencer.
Good evening, Kajim.
Hey, brother me.
Kajim Bobadie.
So, me remember, it's only time you got strike.
Good evening, no.
Good evening, Neju and Kajim.
Ma?
I want to talk to one by concerning the industrial court of whatsoever.
Okay.
What by?
I hear you.
It's all right.
I'm cool.
I know we come back, so it's okay. I know we come back, don't worry.
If at all there's a problem that the decision that they are giving in the court is not favorable to me, then what am I going to do?
If the decision of the court is not favorable to you.
Yeah, industrial court, Abi.
Industrial court, Abi. If their decision not favorable to you, basically we get laws. As we say, one of the reasons why the industrial court was even established, it was established as a specialized court to end some of the problems where labor people they face. Imagine, say, you won't go through all the process of the judicial system from National Industrial Court.
Just here, Spencer.
I hope in the hair.
Yeah, good
from National Industrial Court to the Court of Appeal to the Supreme Court, make we say at least your case go take up to 3, 4, 5 years.
You understand? So
you can imagine, say, person gets work where they won't go do for office. The other gets office where he won't also run. So they say, they allow this process to... one of the reasons why they even take the industrial court out of the normal
kind of court level, give them special powers.
So that they go hear these cases speedily, quick, give them quick hearing, because they say justice denied is justice delayed is justice denied. So
Ayo, good evening.
So where he go now?
Once the industrial court say nothing for you, too bad. There's nothing we can do.
There's nothing. Really. Ayo, good evening. Would they hear you?
Nodu, how are you now?
Fine, thank you, sir.
I want to talk to Katim, really.
Ayo, will they discuss about industrial action? You want to talk about industrial action? You want to talk about industrial action?
Everything where that man they talk, not true. I like what they say.
All right, now, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good night, Oga Ayo. Not vex, eh? Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Not vex, we'll cut you. Not vex. Continue.
Where stop before?
You say if the industrial courts don't talk, say nothing.
Yes.
So if the industrial court don't talk, say, see, this now our position on this matter. Remember I tell you, I say, before a person feel appeal from the judgment of the industrial court, the National Assembly...
They don't pass law. We will give power to that one.
The only grounds where a person feel appeal from the judgment of the National Industrial Court, now, if that judgment bordered on a matter relating to fundamental human rights.
Okay.
So if it touches on the fundamental rights of that person, if you appeal, you get right to go to the Court of Appeal.
Yes.
And if the appeal will arise from the National Industrial Court's judgment, now such that na criminal matter, they feel appeal. But if not general labor, employer, employee,
just take an
if you don't end there, you don't end.
Just
until the National Assembly go wake up, say,
so now to pray and fast. So if you get case,
if your case goes yes, pray and fast. I mean, go church, go give up.
Spencer, you don't hear, give special offering. If he give us, we'll go share small, give Wofi. Now, Wofi, based on this NLC industrial action where they want to start, now tomorrow will be next tomorrow. What you get to talk about?
Okay, from my position as a lawyer, I go talk, say, there is a law. But
where they back them.
Now, not be only right to go on strike. You see, striking, it is not just a right. It's a social duty.
Okay.
So that one of the questions where anybody go feel want to ask will be, say, for anybody to embark on strike, the subject matter of your strike must be that it must come from an industrial dispute. In other words, a trade dispute.
Okay.
Now, somebody don't ask, say, share the increase of fuel price. Now, matter where arise from employer and employee quarrel. That's not very germane, very serious
strong question.
So that for you to
not
say,
be worker.
So you go talk, say, that's increase in fuel price, not something will affect employer and employee relationship. Now, waiting could be my answer. No. Yes, no matter will affect employer and employee relationship. They talk, say, trade disputes. Now, dispute between employer and employee over the terms and physical condition of work of the employee. So that if anything will affect the employee's physical condition of work, they go feel make it do his work properly. Now, issue will be say if he raise 3 disputes. And now this one, a federal government now can impose this policy. The argument also, some people don't make the argument, say, the federal government in Nigeria is the chief employer of labor, is the number 1 employer of labor. So that anything where the federal government, any policy where the federal government decide, go affect everybody, whether the employer or the employee. And this strike,
Sorry, before you continue, no vex.
Yes.
Ezekiel, good evening.
Good evening to you, Duke, Katim, and Mr.
Wafai.
The name sound like one this in the estate in my side. It sounds good anyway.
Thank you. I good to hear you.
Okay. I think this that conditions where that lawyer said in the list.
Yes.
That 13 or whether not 200 and something, that condition is good because it no be so people for just the wake up anyhow.
They do strike anyhow.
I won't know be there.
Yeah.
Because since I don't born, I don't experience about 1.something million strikes in Nigeria. When government not they go through all those 13 before they allow all those strikes to go. I mean they forget and say those strikes they well waiting on what ground where government allow the strike go. Because I believe those strikers know they pass through all those conditions before they go on the strike. So waiting make government allow the strike to go. Why all those 13 or those things?
Despite
all right, Ezekiel, thank you.
Despite the 13 bullet points.
And there's a point also. If we check out for these strikes, now people they suffer and pass. Yes. Because this one, when they say they want the NLC, one do not. Not beside they support or are not support NLC. Yes. My own now about the people. Because plenty people now, if you see that they don't go buy food for house now. Food will finish. Light self not day. I suppose
go buy my own tomorrow.
See, light self not day. So how you want to take, you understand, it will affect so many.
You see, this argument gets two sides. There are always two sides to a story. I know say most people, they feel very pained and uncomfortable over strike matter. But the point to note is this. Sometimes if these workers no force the employers to sit up, you go imagine a situation where an employer simply, they believe, say, he can do anything where he want, unchallenged, unquestioned. So I know say sometimes these rights, some people, they abuse them. But the question why I go ask, the fact say person go abuse a privilege or a right, is that a reason to take away the rights?
Wow.
Because that's not the key thing. Because if you look at all this, by the way, not the only labor people, they go on strike over this PMS matter. Now, both the Central Labour Organization involving NLC, TUC, and then the Civil Liberties Organization Association. So that not the only workers they go on strike, all civil organizations, associations, humanitarian associations, and just any set of people who feel very bad over the increase. Nigerians, they suffer. We don't go fit deny that fact. We don't get lights. And then they can't add the fuel matter. At the point, the question now will become, do we have a moral duty, not a right?
Not right, moral.
Is there a moral duty to question that government policy?
Hold that moral duty question. Kenneth, good evening.
So don't from legal, don't enter moral.
Kenneth, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening once again, man.
Good evening.
I beg, talk to us, will they hear you?
I beg, with this kind of strike thing now, I don't know, it will affect all these normal workers.
Which one be normal worker? Okay,
strike, they affect everybody.
Everybody.
Now everybody. They do feel no come here, sir.
I fit my friend.
You know when the strike go end?
It never started.
It never started yet.
You know what thing go back.
You don't pray for the strike to start.
If we not even pray, make it happen. We don't pray, make it not happen. So we not even, my brother, never go there.
This night, me, I won't go buy for a plate.
All right, thank you very much, Kenneth. Good night. Now you talk say okay. The thing now don't come off from because I remember say earlier you talk say you get how matter go come off from law.
Enter morality.
Enter morality.
Yes.
Now you talk morality. Now how you take?
Yes.
Apart from the fact that yes, we know the law. Say the law says before you can go on that strike, these are the conditions you must fulfill. Now, if we follow through all those conditions, nobody will ever go on strike in this country. So now, the thing where particularly most labor organizations, they always rely on to embark on strike now, international standards. Because internationally, strikes are recognized. You shouldn't put anything, they call them clog, in the will of the rights of people. If people say we get right, why take away the rights where you give with one hand? So if you look at, in fact, if you look at internationally, if you go to Europe, if you go my place, in Europe particularly, their laws specifically says that workers get right to strike. They don't qualify the right like we do on our own. They don't to put conditions to, you know, prevent. It be like say our own, we say, at least if we say we put condition to prevent them from abusing that right. No be to just put total bar.
But make I ask you one question. You see that guy we call, Kenneth we call now? Yeah. I sure say not be government worker in being.
True.
Now, other private workers, if NLC they do this strike now, then it go affect them. Then go they go work, I be they not go work too.
Oh yes, they go
private
work.
workers.
Then go ahead.
No, they're not go work. Oh. If those workers are members of NLC.
Oh, my brother, how many of them be members of NLC?
They get rights. No, a lot of them. I'll give you an instance. There's one matter. Perhaps one telecoms company, sometime earlier this year, a certain association, they formed one association inside the company. The company was owned by another telecoms company, but one other company just take over the assets of that company. And so the members, the workers in that company decided that they wanted to be unionized. So they can't go join
NLC.
Not be NLC, one other telecoms association, will be NLC member, the affiliate of NLC.
Okay.
So after they join that association, they can't give notice to their Oga, say, see, we will be workers inside this office. We don't join this association. So what are you going to do for us now? Now they remove our dues, what they call check-up dues.
Okay.
They give our parents body. Oh. But the Oga told them, he said, see, he doesn't want any trade union in it. He doesn't want them to form any union in it. And the right to belong to a trade union, now constitutional rights. Our constitution under section 40 say every person gets the right to belong or form an association.
Spiritual and otherwise.
And they particularly when they mention some of these associations, they mention trade unions. Provided that association where they form now to protect the interests of that person will be member. If you can't check the trade union,
it's not a bad thing for employer to say no, you can never.
It is very bad. What did the employer do after they can't say they no go disband their trade union? No, they go continue. The employer can't give all of them sack letters. Sack the president of the union. Sack the secretary.
No, Ibo man, Ibi.
No, Niger.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.